Hi friends, welcome back to Frosty Eye Candy. So, you know our pillow paint and our pouring medium and the cell activator, as usual, from the little pictures at the beginning of the video. I'm just going to run through the colours with you. So we've got a bit of a TLP all-star lineup today. We've got, first one is Groovy, fantastic, solid pink colour. It is one of the neons and it is blacklight reactive, so it fluoresces under a black light, which is pretty groovy. Excellent. So next we have got one of my all-time favorites. This is Little Comet. It's the TLP interference gold, red, magenta kind of flash, and is just epic in any pour. So that's going down second. And last but not least of the TLPs, another favorite of mine, of course, TLP, and this one is Ore, the beautiful, bright, shimmery gold. And last, we are putting down, I splashed out and I bought some golden acrylics from my local art store. This one is Quinacridone Violet and is transparent. And this one is going to sit on top of the piggies. Here you go, I'll show you the color. Bingo, there you go. This one is going to sit on top of the piggies and allow the cell activator to sit on top of that really nicely. And hopefully make some great cells. So, as enough of me chatting and waffling away, I'm going to zip it. We're going to get the camera pointing down and we're going to get on with painting. Well, it wouldn't be a Frosty Eye Candy without a voiceover, would it, friends? We're putting down some pillow paint there, about 2 to 3 ounces. Now we're just going to give it a quick tap. We want to get those bubbles out of our base paint. Just smoothing out the edges now nicely so we don't leave that ring kind of mark around on the canvas. I can see a few more bubbles, to give it another good little tap, get them out of the pillow. We do not want them. Now this is a neat trick to making sure your round canvas is in the middle of your spinner. If you hold your palette knife at a certain distance, check all 4 sides, you can make sure it's in the middle. So first off, we're putting down that glorious TLP Groovy, putting a nice base of that down because we love Groovy. Now being nice and generous with the TLP, and that one's Comet. And now we're just going to put down a little bit of the Quinacridone Violet and a little sprinkling of Ore on the top. So we're using 2 cell activators today. This is the Permanent Red Violet by Amsterdam and the Titanium White by Amsterdam. In we go for the swipe. And a nice close-up so we can watch the cells start to develop here. Just giving a little blow in places, and now going down to real time so you can see the modification. Just nice, slow movement of the hand to create these lovely swirls down one side, and then going in, doing the same on the other. I've got to give a big shout out to some of my subscribers and some of my top fans. I give a shout out to all my subscribers, but my top fans, Christy, this one's for you, my friend. So there we go with a gentle spin. We're going in with the anti-clockwise spin now, my friends. And wow, she's looking quite good. Just picking her up to see if there's much movement, see if we need another spin. One more and I think we'll be good. So here we go, my friends. Try to pick up some of the piggies shimmering in the light there. But please, like and subscribe to my videos, share them if you like what you see here. And as always, my friends, happy pouring.